My name is James Haworth. I joined the California Weight Management Program 8 months ago, and so far I've lost 115 pounds. I saw an advertisement in a newspaper stand. I knew it was something that I really wanted to do. I'd been thinking about going on a diet of my own for many months, years really, and I had tried a few times to do that on old sort of resources that I had, different ways, approaches that I had, and it didn't work. I couldn't get the results. I didn't have the resolve to do it, and I realized in that moment that I really needed some help, and something brought me here, almost like a external force that's almost unexplainable, because I was 30 miles away, and I picked this clinic in Watsonville to come to, and it's been a really amazing experience. The staff here has been fantastic, so supportive, and it has been really one of probably the biggest factor in the whole thing in terms of motivation and stick-to-itiveness, and just giving me the guidelines to be able to succeed, and the positive reinforcement. I was in pretty bad shape when I came in. I weighed 340 pounds, and I was a walking undiagnosed diabetic. I didn't know it, hadn't been to the doctor in years, and within 3 months my blood sugars came down dramatically. I was out of the danger zone for diabetes, which has been something that's been in my larger family, parents and cousins and whatnot, and so it was a real danger for me, and that was the first great thing health-wise. But then the rapid weight loss was really shocking. The guidelines were so carefully drawn out and specific, and really not that difficult to follow. It was a little bit of work. It was a little bit of concentration to stick on this diet the first couple of weeks, really the first month, but the results were remarkable. So this was very motivating. My lifestyle has changed significantly from it. I was so large that it was difficult for me to do things physically with ease. I was determined to do the things that I had always done before, so I would do things like go out once a week with my longtime partner and hit tennis balls, and do my gardening and do various things like that. But it was a strain on my body. I mean, my body was very large, and it was very hard to do these different tasks. And so as I've lost the weight, I have a lot greater mobility. There were times where I would be hitting tennis balls, and I would just take a few steps over, and I would almost lose my balance and fall down before. And as time went by, within a couple of months, this was no longer a dramatic issue, and I had much greater ease out there. And now I'm doing very well. I mean, I'm getting older, of course. I'm not the tennis player that I was 20 or 30 years ago, but I feel like I'm getting back to the type of mobility, and I feel I have the confidence that I'm not going to hurt my body. I recommend the program for anybody that is in need of weight management in their lives, and I would if you feel that way, I would try to get engaged with this program as quickly as you can, because the results are remarkable.